In today's video, I'll show you how to change Facebook page name on Android and iOS devices. A Facebook page can offer your followers an easy way to find your contact information, products, recent projects, and more. But if you have recently changed the name of your business or brand, you'll want to make sure your Facebook page reflects that. Changing a Facebook page name used to be pretty difficult before, but now with Facebook's most recent changes, it really takes only about 4 steps to change your Facebook name and URL. So in order to get started, first go to Facebook application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Tap onto the 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner and select Pages from the menu. Now under Pages you manage, select the page you want to change the name of. Once you land onto your page, go to the top right corner and tap onto the Settings gear. Then go and select the Page Info option. Now on the About section at the top, you can go and tap on the Name field. Then once you are directed to another page, you need to type in a new page name. Once you are done, go and tap on Continue. So in here you can see your current page name and your requested page name. There is no limit to how many times you can change your page name, just so as long as those changes are spaced about 7 days apart. So if you have really decided to change your Facebook name, then go and tap on Request Change. By tapping on it, it may take up to 3 days and require additional information, but if your name change is approved, you won't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 7 days. And you will have successfully changed your Facebook page name. So this will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel, and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.